Today we're talking about men's health after 50, vitality, energy, and feeling your best. Changes are natural, but you're not alone. We'll explore testosterone and how gentle, natural steps can help. No drastic measures, just simple habits for renewed confidence and well-being. Let's begin this journey together. First, let's take a moment to understand what we're talking about. What exactly is testosterone and why is it so important for men? Testosterone is a primary male hormone, but it's much more than just that. It's a fundamental building block for a man's health and vitality. It plays a crucial role in maintaining muscle mass and bone strength. It helps regulate your mood and keeps your energy levels up. It even influences your ability to focus and think clearly. Essentially, healthy testosterone levels are deeply connected to feeling strong, sharp, and engaged with the world around you at any age. As men age, it is completely natural for testosterone levels to gradually decline. This process often begins in our 30s and continues as we get older. By the time we reach 50 and beyond, this decline can become more noticeable. This is not a sign of failure or something to be alarmed about. It is simply a part of the aging process. However, understanding this change is the first step toward managing it effectively. When levels dip too low, it can lead to a collection of symptoms that might be quietly affecting your daily life, making things feel a little harder than they used to. What are some of these signs? You might experience a persistent feeling of fatigue that doesn't seem to go away even after a full night's sleep. Some men notice a decrease in their physical strength or find it harder to build and maintain muscle. Others might experience mood swings, feel more irritable, or even struggle with a lower sense of motivation. A reduced sex drive, or libido, is another common symptom often associated with lower testosterone. These changes can be subtle at first, but over time they can significantly impact your overall quality of life and sense of self. Recognizing these symptoms is not about causing worry. Instead, it is about empowerment. When you know what to look for, you can connect the dots and understand what your body might be telling you. It gives you the power to take proactive steps. The goal of our discussion today is to show you that you have influence over these changes. By making conscious choices about your diet, exercise, and lifestyle, you can naturally support your body. You can help it maintain a healthier balance, allowing you to feel more like yourself again, full of energy and ready to embrace life. The good news is, there's so much you can do. You don't have to accept these changes as inevitable. With small, consistent steps, like exercise, sleep, and nourishing food, you can reclaim your vitality and confidence. The path forward is clear. Let's walk it together. Testosterone is the master conductor in a man's body, shaping strength, energy, and mood. It builds muscle, keeps bones strong, and fuels vitality. When balanced, you feel sharp, motivated, and alive. Testosterone also supports sexual health and confidence. Supporting it is key to feeling strong and whole as you age. Testosterone levels naturally decline as men age, starting around 30, about 1% per year. By our 50s, this adds up, but it's a normal part of life, not a cause for worry. Lifestyle choices like staying active and eating well can help slow this process and keep you feeling your best. How does declining testosterone feel? Your body sends signals: fatigue, muscle loss, mood shifts, and lower sex drive. You might notice it's harder to lift things or recover after exercise. Mood changes and brain fog can also appear. Recognizing these signs empowers you to seek balance and take action. Fatigue from low testosterone isn't just ordinary tiredness, it's a deep exhaustion that lingers even after sleep. You might wake up drained, struggle through the day, and find activities you once enjoyed now seem daunting. This isn't laziness, your body is signaling something deeper. Listen, and take steps to reclaim your energy. When testosterone declines, you might feel irritable, unmotivated, or disconnected, like you're not yourself. Brain fog and low mood can make daily life harder. Recognizing these changes as hormonal can bring relief and help you take steps to feel better. Changes in testosterone can show up in the mirror: muscle loss, stubborn belly fat, and less strength, even if your habits haven't changed. These visible shifts are your body's way of signaling a hormonal change, inviting you to listen and respond with care. Regular exercise is one of the most powerful ways to boost testosterone naturally. Strength training and high-intensity intervals send a strong signal to your body to produce more of this vital hormone. Focus on compound movements like squats and deadlifts, and remember, consistency is key. Listen to your body, rest when needed, and enjoy the journey to better hormonal health. Sleep is your body's nightly reset, crucial for hormonal health, especially testosterone. Deep sleep is when your body repairs and produces hormones, helping you wake up refreshed. Prioritize a consistent sleep schedule and a restful environment to support your body's natural balance. In our modern world, stress has become an almost constant companion for many of us, but its impact on our hormonal health is often underestimated. When you experience stress, whether it's from work pressure, financial worries, or relationship issues, your body responds by releasing a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is your primary fight or flight hormone, designed to prepare you for immediate danger. While this is a helpful survival mechanism in the short term, chronic, long-term stress keeps your cortisol levels consistently elevated, and this can be detrimental to your testosterone production. Cortisol and testosterone have an inverse relationship. They work like a seesaw. When cortisol levels are high, testosterone levels tend to go down. This is because, from a biological perspective, when your body believes it is in a constant state of emergency, it prioritizes survival functions over others like reproduction and building muscle. The materials your body uses to make hormones are finite, and when it's busy producing cortisol, it has fewer resources available to produce testosterone. Therefore, learning to manage your stress effectively is a direct strategy for protecting and supporting your testosterone levels. Finding healthy ways to cope with stress is a deeply personal journey, but there are many proven techniques you can explore. Mindfulness practices like meditation and deep breathing exercises can be incredibly effective. Taking just a few minutes each day to sit quietly, focus on your breath, and observe your thoughts without judgment can help calm your nervous system and lower cortisol levels. Spending time in nature, whether it's a walk in a park or tending to a garden, has also been shown to have a powerful stress-reducing effect. The key is to find an activity that helps you disconnect from your stressors and reconnect with a sense of peace. Incorporating enjoyable hobbies and social connections into your life is another vital aspect of stress management. Making time for activities that bring you joy and a sense of purpose, whether it's woodworking, playing a musical instrument, or volunteering, can provide a much-needed buffer against life's pressures. Connecting with friends and loved ones also helps to release feel-good hormones like oxytocin, which can counteract the negative effects of cortisol. By actively working to reduce your chronic stress, you are not just improving your mental well-being, you are creating a more favorable internal environment for your testosterone to flourish. The food you eat is the foundation for hormone production, including testosterone. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, fruits, and vegetables to support your body's needs. Healthy fats are crucial. Testosterone is made from cholesterol, so include avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. Zinc and magnesium are key minerals. Zinc is found in oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds, magnesium in leafy greens, nuts, and whole grains. Managing your weight is essential. Excess body fat increases estrogen, reducing testosterone. Avoid excess sugar, refined carbs, and processed foods to help control weight and inflammation. Simple swaps like avocado toast or a handful of almonds can make a big difference. A balanced diet provides the building blocks for hormone production and regulation. Prioritize nutrient-rich foods to create a strong foundation for hormonal health. Whole foods and smart choices are your best allies for natural testosterone support. Let's get specific. Proteins and healthy fats are the raw materials for your hormones. Lean proteins like chicken, turkey, and fish help build muscle and keep you full. Healthy fats, especially from avocados and olive oil, are essential for hormone production. Eggs are a powerhouse, packed with protein, healthy cholesterol, and vitamin D. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds provide healthy fats and vital minerals. A small handful of these daily can boost your diet and support hormone synthesis. Simple changes like using olive oil or adding eggs to breakfast can have a big impact. Prioritize these foods to fuel your body's natural hormone production. Build your meals around these essentials for optimal hormonal health. Beyond protein and fat, certain vitamins and minerals are vital for testosterone. Zinc is crucial, found in oysters, red meat, poultry, beans, and pumpkin seeds. Magnesium boosts free testosterone. Get it from leafy greens, almonds, avocados, and dark chocolate. Vitamin D acts like a hormone. Sunlight is best, but fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified foods help. Selenium supports reproductive health. Brazil nuts, tuna, and lean meats are great sources. These nutrients work together to keep your hormonal engine running smoothly. Include a variety of mineral-rich foods for a complete nutritional safety net. Even small deficiencies can impact testosterone, so don't overlook these essentials. Prioritize these nutrients daily for optimal hormone function. The right vitamins and minerals are key to supporting your body's testosterone production. Plants play a powerful role in hormonal health. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale, help balance estrogen and testosterone. Leafy greens like spinach and Swiss chard provide magnesium, folate, and nitrates for cardiovascular and hormonal health. Ginger may boost testosterone by reducing oxidative stress. Add it to meals or tea. Onions and garlic, rich in antioxidants, support testosterone production and heart health. Use these vegetables and herbs liberally in your cooking for maximum benefit. Good blood flow and reduced inflammation support overall hormone function. Embrace plant foods for another layer of natural hormonal support. Harness the power of vegetables and herbs to optimize your hormonal health. Journaling is a powerful tool for lasting change. Track what you eat, your exercise, sleep, and mood to spot patterns and fine-tune your approach. This mindful awareness helps you make better choices and stay accountable. Celebrate small victories and reflect on what works best for you. Use your journal to set daily intentions, like drinking more water or taking a walk. Consistent, mindful changes add up to big results over time. Journaling turns generic advice into a personalized roadmap for your health. Stay flexible and responsive as you build habits that support your hormonal goals. Mindful tracking empowers you to take control of your health journey. Your environment shapes your habits. Set yourself up for success. Stock your kitchen with healthy foods and keep processed snacks out of sight. Prepare for workouts by setting out clothes or scheduling sessions in advance. Create a sleep-friendly space with blackout curtains or white noise. Reduce exposure to endocrine disruptors by using glass containers and natural products. Small changes like washing produce and choosing safer storage protect your hormones. Share your goals with supportive friends or family for extra motivation. Surround yourself with people and habits that reinforce your commitment. True improvement comes from weaving together supportive routines and relationships. A holistic approach to self-care ensures your efforts lead to lasting vitality. While natural strategies are powerful, sometimes it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. If you're experiencing persistent fatigue, muscle loss, or mood changes, see your doctor. A simple blood test can measure your testosterone and guide your next steps. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength and self-awareness. Your doctor is your ally. Together, you create a plan that fits you, combining medical expertise with your own experience. Ask questions, discuss options like lifestyle changes or treatments, and remember, you're in the driver's seat. With partnership and support, you can move toward a healthier, more vibrant future. As we close, remember, small, consistent steps matter most. Add spinach to your smoothie, take a brisk walk, or pause to breathe deeply. Each act is a victory, progress, not perfection. Embrace this journey as a celebration of your vitality and self-care. The future is yours to shape. By taking small steps each day, you can feel stronger, more energetic, and confident. Enjoy your favorite activities, connect with others, and set a powerful example for those around you. Your journey to wellness starts now. Embrace your strength and move forward with confidence.